everyone, welcome back to another video. So on this week's Out and About adventure, we take you from Kurrajong up the Bells Line of Road to some of our favourite spots. First stop was breakfast and coffee at the beautiful Kurrajong Bark Park Cafe and Dog Park. From there, we decided to head up the Bells Line of Road to Mount Lagoon.
Alright, so we are very full after that beautiful big breakfast. I highly recommend that spot. Yeah, great little place. So we've just come up to Sam's Way, which is a good little walking spot if you want to get out, stretch your legs. If you've got a dog, brilliant place to bring your dog and walk around. Same with kids. Got a few kids and you want them to burn off some energy, it's a great place to come. It's just basically a big loop, goes for about 1 kilometre, very easy, anyone can walk it. But yeah, it's just so beautiful out here and picturesque, especially this time of year. Yeah, we love it. It's always pretty quiet when we come out as well. And yeah, it's just a great spot. So to get to this walk, you want to turn down Mount Lagoon Road and follow it all the way down, which leads straight to Sam's Way.
So that was Sam's Way out at Mount Lagoon. It is an absolutely stunning part of the world, and any time of the year. Autumn is particularly beautiful, as you can see. Highly recommend it for anyone to do. Also pack a camera because you'll get some great shots out here.
So after the walk, we decided to hit up a couple of places that this region is very well known for.
How are you? As you can see, this is one of the most beautiful spots up in Bilpin, and if you haven't been to Bilpin Cider, put it on your must visit list. It has got beautiful open spaces, fresh cider, wines, and beautiful hampers which have been prepared early, which are perfect for just putting down on a picnic rug and taking in the views. It's great for the kids because they can run around, as well as a few alpacas to pattern sheep. Highly recommend it. Put it on your list and get up here. The next stop was just down the road at the iconic Hillbilly Cider.
Hillbilly Cider is a great place just to sit on the deck, soak up the view and the sun while the kids run around and have a few drinks. They have a great range to choose from, and they also do their own apple picking days. So the next stop was for lunch at our favourite pie shop. The best pies around, hands down. So hands down, if you're coming up the Bells Line of Road, you have to stop in at Pie at the Sky. It is the best pies you will ever have. They have every kind under the sun, from normal pies to dessert pies, all that. You have to stop in here. It does get super busy though, so yeah, probably stop in early. But yeah, it's awesome. So our last stop for the day, while it's not on the Bells Line of Road, it's in Agnes Banks, which is a 2-minute drive from North Richmond, is our favourite local produce shop, Riverview Produce. And this guy is their mascot Prince. Riverview Produce stocks a wide variety of fruit and vegetables, as well as animal feed and farm supplies.
That's all from us today, guys. As you can see, there's an abundance of things to see and do along the Bells Line of Road. It makes for a great family day out with all the activities in a close distance from each other. Thanks for watching today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.